Hi there, it's Marcello again, and I'm here to show you how to use the TradeMatik to take a market buy or sell. So let's get started. We ended the last video with us setting up the TradeMatik on this chart. So let's start from there and take a market order. So guys, I want to draw your attention very quickly to the lower left-hand corner of the screen. You'll notice that we've got some choices here. We've got some boxes that we can check. We can check show time, which is going to show GMT, server time, and local time. Very simple function there. We've got close timer, which will show us when our next candle will close. It's going to close in 11 minutes here, okay? And we've got price label, which will show us what our bid price is currently, $41.95, okay? And the last box that I've saved here is %MM mode. Okay, well, let me show you something really quickly before we click on that. We actually, if we tapped on market, let's say that we were to consider taking a market buy. Okay, we were looking to take a market buy. As you notice here, if you can see that there's a number, 1.5 is what we have, 1.51. And basically, guys, what this means is that we can actually adjust our lot size for the trade that we're going to take. So it will take a total of 2.01 lots, okay, and it will spread that out, or 2.2 or 2.3 or 0.5 or whatever we determine that we want it to be based upon the adjustment that we make with the yellow arrows, okay? Now, let's say that you don't want to use lot size, okay? Let's say that you wanted to use position sizing, as most professionals do. You wanted to take your trade based upon the percent risk, the percent of your account. So if you had a $10,000 account and you wanted to risk only 2%, which would be $200, then you would set this thing to 2%. Well, let me show you how to do that. We go back down here to the bottom where it says %MM mode. That MM stands for money management. So % money management mode, we would simply click that, check it, and that's very simple. And so then we'd go back to our market buy. And guys, now where we had lot sizes, now we have percentage. And we'd simply just move that % wherever we want it to be. Very simple. Let's say that you always take trades at 1% risk. Then you'd simply just set it to 1% risk, and it would take those trades thereafter at 1%. That's your default, okay? Now, the other thing that we're going to do, guys, if you notice when I hit market buy, a red line showed up on our chart, okay? Well, let's double click on that line and let's move it to the swing low here, okay? And that's where our stop loss is going to be from here on forward, okay? And once we've done that, guys, the last thing that we're going to want to do is that we're going to want to consider how many positions do I want to open. Let's say that you wanted to scale out of positions, so you can choose 1, 2, or 3 positions. Okay, so if I chose 1, then only 1 position would show up when I took this trade. You'll see what I mean in a second. You know, 2 for 2 trades and 3 for 3 positions. Okay, so 1 position, 2 positions, or 3 positions. I'm going to choose 3 positions in our demonstration today. Tap on 3 and simply hit market buy. And there you go, guys. We just took a trade right at for a market buy here, okay? So we just took a market buy here on 3 positions, and these 3 positions are equal to what 1% of this account size would be for us, okay? And that pretty much sums up what you would do. Market sell would be the exact opposite, would be the exact same thing on the opposite side. In fact, let's do that now. Market sell, we've already got it set to 1%, and now we can take a market sell on, let's say, 2 positions instead, okay? And we'd simply just tap on 2 and adjust our risk. Let's say that we want our risk to be the swing low here, or swing high here, sorry, and we'd simply just hit market sell. So we double click on the red line that appeared, move it down to where we want our stop to be, and then hit our market sell button. And there you go. There you have it, guys. That is how you take trades. And it's really just that simple. And I will be right back for pending orders, modify to break even, modifying trade, sorry, and also trailing stops. Look forward to talking to you then.